Consumer confidence in the housing market has dropped to its lowest level in over a decade. This is due to the fact that both prospective buyers and sellers have become more pessimistic. Just 70% of those surveyed said now is a good time to buy a home, down from 20%. The share of sellers who think it's a good time to list their home also dropped to 67% from 76%. Rising mortgage rates, which started the year at 3%, at one point reached over 6%, and now is hovering in the mid 5% range. Plus, generic economic inflation are the top reasons behind the growing perception that it's a bad time to buy or sell a home. Some homeowners are opting to list their homes now to take advantage of the higher prices, while some potential buyers are choosing to postpone their purchase, believing home prices will drop. The numbers indicate that the housing market may be cooling off after years of strong growth. This could be bad news for the economy as a whole, as the housing market has been one of the main drivers of growth in recent years. So far, however, the housing market has remained strong despite concerns about affordability and interest rates. Time will tell if this will continue to be the case. If you have any questions on how the market is affecting you, please let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.